Hey there, strap on your optimism visors and crack open a cold glass of future anticipation because we're about to jump into the tech whirlpool of 2024 and beyond. It's going to be a mind-bendingly awesome ride, so buckle up and hold on to your virtual reality headsets. But before we dive in, remember to subscribe for more science videos. First up, AI's next quantum leap. Forget Alexa's weather reports. We're talking about generative AI on steroids, crafting personalized symphonies, designing dream vacations, and even writing novels so real you'll need a literary double take. Imagine AI assistants not just obeying commands, but co-creating experiences as your artistic and technological partners. Next up, prepare to dive into the evolving ocean of the metaverse. VR experiences are about to get so hyper-realistic, you'll need a reality check and a drool bib after each session. Picture collaborating with global teams in virtual co-working spaces, attending concerts in bustling digital stadiums, or exploring alien planets all from the comfort of your couch. The lines between real and virtual are about to blur so much, you'll need a GPS just to find your socks. But it's not all about holograms and robots yet. 2024 is also about harnessing tech for good. Sustainable energy solutions are sprouting like bioluminescent mushrooms, from algae-powered generators to solar panels that double as stained glass masterpieces, and biotechnology's CRISPR wand is poised to rewrite the script on disease, agriculture, and even aging. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your unique DNA, engineered crops that thrive in hostile environments, and maybe, just maybe, a future where wrinkles are as ancient as dial-up internet. Speaking of robots, they're about to graduate from clunky cogs to dexterous digital butlers. Forget assembly lines. We're talking about AI-powered companions assisting the elderly, robots adept at delicate surgery, and even robotic chefs whipping up gourmet meals that would make Gordon Ramsay weep with joy. The future of robotics is about precision, care, and making life easier for everyone, one perfectly toasted croissant at a time. But wait, there's more! 3D printing will go beyond novelty keychains and revolutionize construction, medicine, and even space exploration. Imagine printing custom prosthetic limbs on demand, building houses in a matter of days, or crafting personalized medications with a sprinkle of digital magic. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. And let's not forget the power of brain-computer interfaces. No more fumbling with keyboards. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts, typing novels at the speed of lightning, or even downloading knowledge directly into your brain. It's a sci-fi movie come to life, and it's just around the corner. So, there you have it, folks. A peek into the mind-bending tech tsunami that awaits us. It's a time of boundless potential, where imagination becomes reality and boundaries become obsolete. Remember, the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we create. So let's dive into this ocean of innovation, collaborate, experiment, and build a brighter tomorrow together. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech adventures, and hit the comments below. What tech developments are you most excited about? Let's share our wildest and maybe slightly scary tech dreams and make the future even more epic.